There is no one size fits all blueprint that I could hand you over that you can memorize and follow. So this is an impossible question. Personally, I think success in poetry comes from authenticity and persistence. Write regularly, read widely, and share your work with others when you are ready. Connect with the poetry community, whether your local one or the community on the internet, and submit your work to publications and contests. When I said earlier that success in poetry comes from persistence, I also want to talk a second about rejections. Rejections are a part of becoming a successful poet. And once you are a successful poet, rejection is still a part of your daily life. You're not going to win every contest. You're not going to be published in every journal you want to be published in. You just have to be okay with rejection and to keep going. Remember, success is subjective and personal. It really comes down to your own personal goals. Do you want to publish a book? If so, do you want to publish a chapbook or a manuscript with an indie publisher or with a traditional house? How many copies do you aim to sell? Like I said, it's all about how you define success. In my thinking, if you are setting goals and reaching them, then you are successful.